Hi everyone, this is Charles with Ledgerback. In this video, I'm just going to go over the interactive graph that we made for the Distroid catalog, specifically the curated news items, just to kind of show some of the work that we've been doing and just how some of the items are related. You can find the graph on GitHub, on Ledgerback's GitHub, under the Distroid repository. It's pretty easy to find, and you can just download the HTML file and run it as a local file in your browser. As I'm doing right now. So here we can just take a quick look at some of these items here and just see some of the relations. So everything in red is author, the purple is a publication, and then the blue is the actual news item or article. So here we have good amount of authors, and State of the Dallas, that's publication. The articles measuring decision-making in virtual communities. The State of Dallas, and then you have a good amount of authors here just for like one publication. And so at least from what we've seen so far is that there's a lot of variety when it comes to actual curated news items. So that's a pretty nice thing. It just means that we find a lot of sources. And just showing the relations. There's a pretty fun one, so you can see here. There's Keith Porcaro, and if you click on the authors, it shows you their links. So Keith Porcaro, who's a really cool researcher, wrote Twitter chaos reinforces currents. Um, sorry, Twitter chaos reinforces why governments must rely on commercial software, and that got published in Tech Policy Press, which is a pretty cool publication which covers tech policy. And then we can see another article which also got published there, making amplification measurable, and we can also see the authors. So 3 authors here. So that's how you can see the connections between articles, publications, and authors. And like I said a little bit earlier, there's a lot of, well, not as much interaction because we actually have many different sources in the catalog. So that's the reason why not everything's as super connected as we would like. Though I think once we get more sources, more accurate items, there'll probably be a much more interconnected graph. And so here's another fun one. So Japan Goes All in AI. That was published in The Rundown, which is written by Rowan Chung and also by Relly Lamont. And then you have Language Model Sketchbook, or I Hate Chatbots, published in Maggie Ableton's blog. And a couple other ones as well. And so you can interact with them all over here. You can see some fun ones. So here's Spencer Noon, who's the writer for our network. As you can see, 2 news items published there, and published in our network. So you have on 171, on 170, and this way you can see both of them. And so if you want to actually filter, you can select by the node or the edge. So the edge here's the green part, and then the nodes, of course, it's a big little circle or a blob. So it's either red, blue, or purple, and the edges are all green. So let's say I want to select a node, and I want to select a property. So let's go with title, and then let's say I just want to select a title. So I say let's go. I just want to look at just a couple of these. So just covering office. You can just really add as many as you like. So yeah, really for a specific name, and that also includes the news items, the authors and publications. You can usually find it here. Then let's say I go to filter. And as you can see, it's become a lot smaller. now it's just a couple of things. Yeah, that's pretty much how it works, and there are a lot of things you can filter for. So then if you want to reset, then you just reset from there. So select the network item. We could also go by edge, select the property, color from to ID. So let's go from, and let's go with skip with the titles. So let's go with game mesh. That everyone's gonna run. This one's accelerator on 170. Okay, and then filter. Okay. Alright, and then here we are. As you can see, it's a lot smaller. So as you can see, you can filter through for certain things that you're looking for, see the relationships. And just keep in mind that it will make it really small. And so yeah, that's pretty much the interactive graph. Hopefully this helped kind of get a better understanding of how publications, authors, and news articles are connected. There's a good amount here. I think we have about 777 nodes, or maybe 500. But yeah, it's like somewhere around there. So there's there's a lot of good, interesting stuff to look at. So if you want to play around with this, you're more than free to. And then here's also a cool one from the markup. It's just a really nice publication. You can see 2 articles here published, and you can see the authors. So you have 5 authors related to 2 articles, which all got published in the markup. So yeah, very fun stuff. So if you're interested in looking in more stuff like this, I think this will be kind of where a lot of the work is gonna be focusing on for Distroid in the near future. So that's pretty much it from me. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can just send an email to ledgerback@gmail.com or send a direct message on Twitter to @ledgerback. Or you can send one directly to me on Twitter as well to @CADJOVU. Once again, thanks for watching, and hopefully you'll come by for the next video.